Federal judge blocks second Kentucky abortion law within days. Frankfort, Kentucky. APU for the U.S. District Judge David J. Hale granted another temporary restraining order sought by the American Civil Liberties Union in its legal feud with the state over abortion. The latest order, Republican government, Matt Bevin signed last week. The judge temporarily blocked enforcement of another new Kentucky law that would mostly ban abortions in the state once a fetal heartbeat is detected. A fetal heartbeat, ACLU attorneys said the heartbeat bill would prohibit 90% of abortions in Kentucky. The ACLU filed a lawsuit to block both measures passed by Kentucky's GOP-dominated legislature. It went to court on time. The ACLU will ask that the two laws be kept on hold pending a resolution of the case, she said. Kentucky lawmakers and GOP-led legislatures in several other states have pushed anti-abortion measures in hopes of getting a case before the U.S. Supreme Court to challenge the court's 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling that the Kentucky law blocked Wednesday would require doctors performing abortions to certify in writing that, to their knowledge, their patient did not want to end her pregnancy because of concern over her unborn child's sex, race, color, national origin, or disability. Doctors violating. Supporters of the measures have said it would ban discrimination against fetuses because of race, gender, or disability. The ACLU argues that it removes a woman's right to an abortion if the state disapproves. The ACLU has filed 4 separate lawsuits challenging a series of abortion laws in Kentucky that mostly passed after the GOP took total control of the state legislature in 2017. It's the most federal judges struck down 2 Kentucky abortion laws in recent years, and the state appealed both rulings. A trial was held. Attorneys for the ACLU and other groups are seeking $1.5 million from the state to cover attorneys' fees and other costs in one of the cases that led to an abortion law being struck down.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.